Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why. You gotta lie. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why you gotta lie. Baby girl, why you just gotta lie to me? Because I just wanted your heart the whole time. I just wanted your love the whole time. I just wanted your love the whole time. I've been focusing on you the whole time. I don't know how to get you off of mine. I just want you to show love all the time. And when I come around, I'm finna just stick around with you because you know you're my main goal of to marry you, hopefully, because I've been looking at my past every day, just thinking of the days that I've been growing up through the pain. Used to be abused and molested. I don't know how I can just say this. My heart is just fucking leaking. Try to come up, be rich. Fuck the fame, I just want all my bros to maintain. Because we all only live with pain. I just feel like I'm a die soon. Already dead because you know I see my third also. And baby girl, I just need you by my side. Hug me all the time, hold me all the time. I just want your love and that's all I want. Alright.
Check it, baby girl. All I need to love to show me the way how to love. I'm lost in the world with nobody to love. I just need somebody to take care of me or I take care of them. Yo, maybe you can get married one day, have a couple children, have a little just run around the streets. You know what I'm saying, baby girl? Just check me out, girl. Find a little handsome nigga. Think I'm a ghost nigga. Yeah. Go ahead, pass the mic to my nigga. Yeah.
To me, yeah, I'm finna only just go overseas, yeah, with you because that is the journey. Oh wait, just hold me tightly, need your warmth inside my fucking heart. You are the light that will shine in the darkness that I've been in for the longest. Got a lot of pain, cannot condone it, yeah, cannot condone it, yeah, cannot control it.